Welcome to Tutorial Lore. Today, we're reviewing Flightview, an app designed to keep travelers informed with real-time flight tracking and updates. Flightview offers a range of features that make managing your travel plans easier and more convenient. With Flightview, users can track flights with accurate, up-to-date information including departure and arrival times, gate changes, delays, and cancellations. The app supports tracking multiple flights at once, making it perfect for frequent travelers or those managing several trips. Notifications and alerts keep users informed about any changes to their flights, helping to avoid surprises at the airport. The app also includes airport weather updates and terminal maps, which assist travelers in planning their time at the airport. Flightview's user interface is straightforward and easy to navigate, making it accessible to users of all experience levels. Integration with calendar apps allows users to sync flight details directly to their schedules. One of the key strengths of Flightview is its reliability and comprehensive flight data sourced from airlines worldwide. However, some users have mentioned occasional delays in update notifications and limited functionality in free versions. Pros of Flightview include its detailed flight tracking, user-friendly interface, and helpful alerts. Cons involve occasional lag in real-time updates and ads in the free version. Overall, Flightview is a dependable app for travelers who want to stay on top of their flight schedules and make travel less stressful. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or other inquiries, please email tutorialorbiz@gmail.com.